You ready? Should we do it? Should we do it? Yeah? Oh, you're so happy to open up a girl's block, aren't you? Yes, you are. Oh, look. Look, wait, what's inside? Do you know what's inside? Do you? Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute.
Hey, our box here. So don't you go away, cause we're unboxing our Girls Junior Nerd Block Boxy Boxy Day! Yay!
Good girl, Harley. Hey, Zomheads.
Hey!
Oh, we got Harl. She was so excited to find out we had a girls' block, right? I know. It's such a good little girls' block. Boxy boxy today. Yes, I know. Well, let's rip it open and see what we got.
You're a girl too.
Oh, look how excited.
Wow.
She's really excited. I bet. Is there something good in there? Is there something good?
It would be like the freakiest thing, although it's not going to be if there was a bird toy.
Oh my God, is there a bird toy in there for you? Is that what it is? Because you're a girl and it's a girls' junior? Yeah. All right, let's see what it is. Okay, we can't look right now, Harls. Let them look first.
Anything good in there, you guys?
Oh, Harley's trying to peek. Don't you peeky peeky, no peeky peeky. Okay. Oh wait, this looks so cool. Oh look.
Is that a digital?
No, I don't know. I think it is. It's a clock. It's like a little digital clock.
Oh my gosh, is it not an alarm clock?
Well, you gotta pull it back.
Because if it is, my
Pull the
alarm
block.
clock's broken.
Where?
My alarm clock is broken. It doesn't. The
Which one?
The turquoise
In there?
one in my bedroom and the one at Mom's.
How'd they break?
The bell doesn't ring anymore.
Did you drop it?
No, I'm not dropping a lot.
You don't drop it a lot, which means that's what it is. You can't drop them. That's funny, is it? Emily's being so funny.
Minute and.
It's not an alarm clock. What's the time and the date? And it.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. And that's
And the
seconds
day.
that count down.
Yeah. Can you see that?
Oh my gosh.
That is cool. The seconds are cool.
That is so cool.
Yeah. Well, you'll have to use your phone then, I guess, for the alarm clock.
Yeah.
Okay, so stick your hand in there. Pick something else. What? You didn't like that. I know. It wasn't for you. No, it wasn't for you. It's for Emily. Let's see what else we have. What is it? Oh, it's a blind bag. Maybe you'll like that.
It's a kitty
Ooh.
club. It's a kitty.
Kitty club. Ooh,
Oh.
Kiki.
The kitty
But
club.
I don't know if Harley likes Kikis. Do you like Kikis, Laura?
That's why I said, oh, kitty cat. One figurine with hat, one collector card, and one mini poster.
Alright, let's open it up. It's like a bag. Did you show them how it's like a
Yeah,
purse?
it's like a little purse.
See, it's like a purse. You might like this, but it's a kitty cat, Harls. So I don't know.
Oh my gosh! The eyes like open and close. Look at her.
Their name's Lucy, which I really like. Lucy from Z Nation.
And then look at her little hat. Oh my god.
Oh, is she kind of furry?
Yeah. She's like soft.
That's cute.
There she is. Lucy.
And then there's a letter from Kitty about Lucy, I guess. Alright, let's see what else is in there. And then here's your club card with a picture of her. I guess that's like this how it says her name and stuff.
There she is. Club card.
And then here's the letter thing, the picture thing.
Gwen.
Alright, let's see. It is Disney Princess Jewelry Set. We're a little too old for this. And I don't think Harley's going to wear it. What do you think, Harles? Will you wear this? You like it? She likes it. You like it?
Can we put it on you, Harles?
You want to wear it? Well, Harley might wear it. So it is just like necklaces and stuff of Disney princesses. So you've got the mermaid, Bella, Cinderella, and I don't know what the top one is.
Little Mermaid, Little Mermaid.
Oh, two Little
Cinderella
Mermaids.
and Belle.
Yeah. So, okay, what else we got? It looks like a cool t-shirt.
Cheeseburger. Oh, it's from Care Bears.
Oh, that's cute.
I love you. Aww.
That is adorable.
From the Care Bears, and it says cheeseburger. I love you. Oh, it's the little blue one.
Yeah, I like that.
It's a PJ gown.
Oh,
It's alright, Harles.
yeah, it's my size, probably. I don't know. We'll have to see, but it is adorable.
That is.
And it's really soft. The woman's shirts, alright, so I was getting the unisex shirts. The unisex shirts are thicker fabric. They're made for men or women, and they're different designs. So what I did was I ordered woman's, and the woman's fabric is really thin, soft, and fluffy. Like, I really like it better on this and the horror block. Oh, but it's a zombie. That's cool. Issue number 1 of Zombin, which is a comic book. I guess it's a brand new comic book, maybe? I don't know. But it looks awesome. Don't you poop, Harley?
It really looks like from like. The
Yeah, that kind of does look like Clementine right there, but it's not. I like it. I like the illustrations. Look at the illustrations on this.
Apparently, Ben
Lots of color.
is the zombie.
Was bitten. And then 10 years later, oh, this looks really good. Oh, don't tell me there's going to be another comic book that I'm going to want to read.
Oh, it's another National Geographic.
Oh, yeah.
That's the same one we got last time, though. That's the same exact one that we
You
got.
sure?
Last time. Yeah, I can go grab it out of my bedroom.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is National Geographic with dolphins. Where are the facts then? Remember the facts? Frogs use its eyeballs to help them swallow.
I read all these with Dad.
Really?
Yeah. And there's also 35 fun facts about space, too.
Oh, look at all those gum wrappers.
Look at that golden dessert for rich people.
$25,000 dessert. Because it's got gold on it. Who wants to poop out gold? I don't want to poop out gold. If you want a souvenir, you can take home the spoon. You already got a souvenir. You just gotta wait for it to come out.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Look! You could have gotten a blue alarm clock, a yellow one, a red one, or a pink one. I wish I got the pink. You probably would have wanted the red or the yellow. Probably the yellow, right?
Yeah, yellow.
The t-shirt's an exclusive.
Sweet. I like this box. This was a good box.
Yeah.
I thought it
Except that
was
I got
good.
the same magazine.
Yeah, you don't want to do the same magazine.
And the princess.
And the princess stuff is a little too young for us. I wish you could put ages. You know, that might be a good idea, Girls Junior, is to put ages, like you mark the ages of, you know, kind of what you want. So, because it's not really a teen box, and it's not really a kid box.
Yeah, it's
It's
kind
kind of
of
like in the middle, and sometimes you get, like I'm sure a little girl, she's
doesn't want this.
something to read when she doesn't know how to read, right? She'd probably rather have this. Or even the clock. Like, what's a 5-year-old going to do with an alarm, with a digital clock, right? So they kind of got to, I don't know, maybe they should do the age thing. Alright, so let's see how much this stuff is. This would probably be what? 7? Unless you're buying it at Disney, then it would be 15. That's what I was thinking. 7?
The kitty cat.
About $4.99.
Yeah, so about $5.
Right. 12?
This probably go for maybe about 10.
No, 5.
Really?
Yeah.
At Walmart, maybe I'd be 8.
No. It's not even an alarm clock.
Probably like 6, 5 or 6.
Yeah, I'd say 5. So that's 17.
These are $5.
Okay, so 22,
This is $4 too.
26,
And the t-shirt.
and the t-shirt. So,
$12.
yeah, so 38. So about $38, $39, and the box is $19. So, you know, we pay for our boxes. It's not sponsored. We might get one more. I did delay it a little bit because we're doing Hobby Box for a while. And I just want to start mixing it up so it's not the same all unboxing every time. And so I guess that's it. But I think it's a good deal. And I think, what'd she do? Shit, poop in my hair?
Yes.
She pooped in my hair.
It like dragged down into a strip of your hair.
Ew, I gotta get in the shower. Look at that.
Whenever feathers dropped on the back.
Harley, this is the first time I've had her 16 years. She's never pooped on my head. You're being defiant. Get up here,
I
girl.
think it's more of like diarrhea.
Do you have diarrhea?
Strips.
I get to go to the shower first. I call it.
Helio.
Any problems with
No.
that?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm Poopy Head. Poopy Head! Alright guys, thank you for watching Poopy Head and Emily. And we'll see you later. Bye!
Subscribe and like, please.
So I'm pooping on my mama's head. Subscribe, watch me poop some more. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
Alright. I gotta get in the shower.
Yeah, I agree.
I gotta get in the shower. She just took a dump on my leg. Oh, like a big juicy dump. Oh, that's alright. I'm going in the shower after this. That's the thing. She usually flies to her cage to dump, but we're in a different room, which is too far from her cage, so.